How do you say thank you in Spanish? Find out right here.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you so very much.
Gracias de todo corazón.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Te lo agradezco.
I appreciate it.
Se lo agradezco.
I appreciate it.
Mil gracias.
1,000 thanks.
Gracias por tu ayuda.
Thank you for your help.
Muchas gracias por el regalo.
Thank you very much for the gift.
Te lo agradezco mucho.
I really appreciate it.
Mil gracias por todo.
1,000 thanks for everything.
De nada.
You're welcome.
Con mucho gusto.
With pleasure.
No hay de qué.
Don't mention it.
Es un placer.
It's a pleasure.
Para eso estoy.
That's what I'm here for.
Muy agradecido.
Very grateful.
Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share this with someone. And if you want to keep learning Spanish, click right here.